Katanat fisheries jong sarkar Meghalaya kalayo banpu yo maunong rim ban sedang sna yaka farmers hostel kam guest house haka mangtingka kabokot praspa nrupolak tingka haka south regunai lur araja arpusau. La Plie perda yo maunong rim dau ba el hek menteri katanat fisheries hatrout farm Cleve colony Shillong. Hakari kesengi lai don lang ru do SC Sadhu IAS secretary katanat fisheries kakong EL Maulong MCS director Uba LGM Kharmi MCS Joint Director kinong tray bat kinong rap nalor kiwede. Haba ai jingkran uba AL hek ulaong baling ba ketika project kinong tray bat kinong ridok ha kinla ban penlong ketika Jaka kum kalat ka kabu na kabenta ka jing ai jing Hikai ban penroi ha ka kam ridok ha ka ban Plie lat ya kinong kendong bakin yo kamai jakpo.
On this significant moment and a milestone occasion on this foundation stone laying ceremony. We would like to present one song. The title of the song is called Together, and I believe the message of this song is through unity and togetherness we can scale heights and we can bring prosperity to the public that we serve. This song is an original composition, and I hope you like it. Thank you.
This is a long pending project. We had several meetings, several sessions, lot of brainstorming sessions. how to start this long pending project. We have put all our heads together in many meetings. Even then, we have already offered the other department, like a sport health, the engineering wing, to execute the work. That also has not been happened. Ultimately today, with the resolve of the directorate and all the stakeholders of the fishery department, we could see the light of the day. So I congratulate to each one of you to make this day happen into reality. We have discussed many things about the fishery, but I want to focus to you. What we need is, we will have the infrastructure, we'll have the hostel, we'll have the office, but we should create the human resources. This is important, how to reach out to people, how to create the fish farmers, to create the revenue, to create employment to the people. We need the hand holding. All the officers present here today. Important in our life is to take responsibility. The responsibility is the main focus. We have so many programs, we have so many functions, but to reach out to people is the main priority. It's a prior responsibility to each one of us. How to make the people the livelihood from the fishing, from the fish farming. Make them the livelihood. This has to be target. That is more important and the more focused the responsibility which we need to be holding hand to the fish farmers. Not only the existing fish farmer, we are looking for the new to create the new fish farmers. Give them the livelihood. Let's go to the most remote area, the rural places. Wherever we have the facility, where we have the possibility, where we have the scope to create the fish pond, the fish lake, whatever we can create the farmers, make them the livelihood. That has to be a target and responsibility. As a signed by Angelina Lingdo, the blessing from God. We also will receive the blessing from God when we reach out to the people. So this much only I would like to say that I will not take much of your time, and also the beautiful day that we had today. We had started the program before the schedule. I really congratulate to all the organizers. All they had reached on time, even Marbo, the judge, he reached before the schedule of the time, 4 minutes before 11. 4 minutes before 11. Really congratulate, because everybody they reached to the program on time. That is called the self-awareness, the self-discipline. You know yourself. What is your responsibility? You know yourself, your responsibility, and you know your self-awareness. You know that I have got the time 11 o'clock to reach this program. I must reach before by anticipating all even the traffic congestion in Shillong. But you have reached on time. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations. Really, I really appreciate it. And this is the way that we are the self-discipline and the self-awareness. So I'll not take much of your time. Thank you to the director once again, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam, kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.